Okay, I guess we're rolling here. Just kind of quick deal here. As you can see, I don't have good equipment here. Just me holding my camera, but got my little 78 302 block back here. We're planning on, I've got 331 rotating assembly for it. And there's the crankshaft and girdle and stuff. We're doing a girdle on this bad boy. Let's see. Sorry, I'm not doing a very good job. The girl's down there. Trick flow girdle requires the caps to get machined. It sandwiches down on that. Studs. That's what we're doing. And I got the pistons and the rods. Seems like it's pretty good. Just looking at it, looks like really good stuff. I've always worked with stock stuff with my 302 stuff, so this will be kind of cool to do something different. It's all forged, the crankshaft, rods, and the salesman guy sold me on some 2618 forging, so a little bit more beefy forged piston setup. Anyway, can't really see it. It looks really good, and I mean the block looks amazing. I'm gonna clean it some more. It was final cleaned machine shop. Actually, I did it myself. Buddy of mine owns a machine shop, and he let me come in and do quite a bit of work on the block. So that's can be good or bad, because I could have not done real good. But anyway, pretty exciting. Should be putting this together, and we'll get some YouTube stuff content with this. Maybe somebody will enjoy it. Hope it's going to be good, solid. Hopefully everything works out good, and it's a good, strong motor for us. It should be we've already got a little 79 drag car put together. It's turboed. We built the hot side for it ourselves. So yeah, anyway, nothing real special about it. It'd be cool to look at all the parts and stuff. Maybe I'll do that in different videos, but it's a Eagle. Eagle's the brand of it, of the rotating assembly. And it's supposed to be zero or neutral balance internal. So anyway, maybe y'all want to check that out. All right, God bless.